Ladies and gentlemen, what if I told you that while you sleep tonight, your eyes could actually repair themselves naturally, without pills, without expensive drops? Imagine waking up seeing the world clearer, sharper, and brighter than you did the night before. It's not a miracle. It's biology. Because when you feed your eyes the right nutrients before bed, you trigger a powerful overnight healing process hidden inside your body. Stay with me, because in the next few moments, you'll discover exactly what to eat before sleep to restore your vision while you dream. Oxygen can't reach where it's needed most. That's when fatigue, cramping, cold feet, and heaviness in the legs begin to appear. The good news is that specific foods can naturally enhance circulation, rejuvenate blood vessels, and help oxygen reach every corner of the body. By improving blood flow, these foods awaken tired legs, boost endurance, and bring energy back into every step. Beets are one of the most powerful circulation-enhancing foods known in nutritional science. They're rich in natural nitrates, compounds that the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. When this happens, blood can flow more freely, delivering more oxygen to the muscles. This extra oxygen improves muscle efficiency, meaning the legs can move longer without tiring as quickly. People who drink beetroot juice before exercise often find that their endurance increases, and the feeling of heaviness in their legs decreases. This is because nitric oxide also helps mitochondria, the energy centers in cells, use oxygen more effectively. Even a small glass of beet juice, or a serving of roasted beets a few times a week, can create noticeable improvements in leg strength and stamina. Another food that promotes healthy circulation is pomegranate. This fruit contains antioxidants called polyphenols that protect the lining of the blood vessels from damage. When the inner walls of arteries stay smooth and flexible, blood can flow without resistance. Pomegranate juice has been shown to reduce stiffness in the arteries and enhance oxygen delivery to muscles during physical activity. The powerful compounds in pomegranate also prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, one of the key triggers of plaque buildup that narrows arteries. When consumed regularly, this fruit doesn't just benefit the legs, but also supports the heart and brain. The color of pomegranate seeds is a clue to their potency. The deep red pigments are anthocyanins that work to strengthen capillaries and improve microcirculation, especially in the lower extremities. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, arugula, and Swiss chard are also natural nitric oxide boosters. They are filled with plant nitrates similar to those in beets, and they provide magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K, all essential for vascular health. These greens help blood vessels stay elastic, preventing the hardening that comes with age. When arteries become rigid, the heart has to work harder to pump blood through them, which reduces oxygen supply to the muscles. Including a handful of greens in daily meals keeps the blood flowing smoothly, reduces blood pressure, and supports oxygen delivery to the legs. Even a salad made with spinach and olive oil can make a significant difference over time. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits contribute to stronger circulation through their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C strengthens the collagen in blood vessel walls, preventing them from becoming fragile or leaky. It also acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals that can damage the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of arteries. When this lining is protected, the vessels remain able to expand and contract properly. This means that the legs receive a steady and efficient flow of oxygenated blood during movement or rest. Additionally, vitamin C enhances the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, ensuring that red blood cells have enough hemoglobin to carry oxygen effectively. A daily serving of citrus fruits not only refreshes the body, but also ensures that the vascular network stays resilient and responsive. Dark chocolate, when it contains at least 70% cacao, is another surprising yet potent food for circulation. It contains flavanols, plant compounds that encourage the production of nitric oxide and help dilate blood vessels. These flavanols improve endothelial function, allowing the arteries to stay flexible and reactive. When circulation improves, muscles in the legs receive more nutrients and oxygen, which enhances strength and performance. The polyphenols in dark chocolate also help reduce oxidative stress, protecting the blood vessels from inflammation and damage caused by high blood sugar or cholesterol. Eating a small square of dark chocolate each day can subtly improve leg circulation and promote overall vascular health without the need for medication. Garlic has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for heart and circulatory health. It contains a compound called allicin, which relaxes blood vessels and prevents platelets from clumping together, reducing the risk of blockages. Allicin also helps lower blood pressure, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients can flow freely to the extremities. Garlic's effects are cumulative. The more consistently it's included in the diet, the better it works to maintain clear, open arteries. Fresh garlic added to meals or taken in small amounts daily can help keep the legs warm, energized, and less prone to swelling or fatigue. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries contribute to vascular health through their high concentration of anthocyanins. These natural pigments reduce inflammation and protect the arteries from damage caused by aging and oxidative stress. They also improve the elasticity of capillaries, which is vital for getting oxygen into small muscle tissues deep in the legs. Regular consumption of berries enhances circulation not only in the legs, but throughout the body, improving endurance and recovery time after physical activity. The antioxidants found in these fruits also help the body produce more nitric oxide, amplifying their circulation-boosting benefits. Another key element for better leg circulation is hydration. Water is the medium that carries nutrients and oxygen through the bloodstream. When the body is dehydrated, blood becomes thicker and circulation slows down. This can cause muscles in the legs to feel heavy, tired, and stiff. Drinking enough water throughout the day, along with foods that have high water content like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon, helps maintain smooth and efficient blood flow. Proper hydration also prevents the buildup of toxins that can inflame blood vessels or restrict flow. Olive oil is another cornerstone of good circulation. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols that protect the endothelium and promote nitric oxide production. Replacing processed oils or butter with extra virgin olive oil helps reduce inflammation and keeps arteries supple. This directly translates into better oxygen delivery to the legs, improved energy, and faster recovery from activity. Olive oil also lowers levels of harmful LDL cholesterol while raising beneficial HDL, further supporting blood vessel health. Turmeric, though often known for its anti-inflammatory properties, also aids in circulation through its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin improves endothelial function and helps prevent blood clots, making it easier for oxygen-rich blood to reach the muscles. When combined with a pinch of black pepper to improve absorption, turmeric becomes a powerful daily addition for leg health. It reduces stiffness, improves flexibility, and enhances oxygenation at the tissue level. The combination of these foods, beets, pomegranates, leafy greens, citrus fruits, dark chocolate, garlic, berries, olive oil, and turmeric, creates a natural synergy that enhances blood flow and vascular strength. Each one plays a role in supporting the arteries, veins, and capillaries that deliver life to the legs. When circulation improves, every part of the lower body benefits. Muscles recover faster, swelling reduces, energy increases, and the feeling of heaviness fades away. These changes may seem subtle at first, but over time, they rebuild the leg's endurance and resilience from within. The flow of oxygen and nutrients brings renewal to tired tissues, helping the legs regain the strength and vitality needed to move with confidence and ease once again. Inside every muscle cell of the legs exists a small but powerful engine called the mitochondrion. These microscopic structures are responsible for producing the energy that allows our muscles to move, lift, walk, and climb. When mitochondria work efficiently, the legs feel strong, energized, and quick to respond. But as time passes, these energy-producing centers begin to slow down. Their numbers decline, and the existing ones lose their ability to generate fuel effectively. This is one of the main reasons why the legs start to feel weak, heavy, or fatigued, even with light activity. The key to restoring leg power lies in nourishing and protecting these mitochondria. Certain foods can repair damaged mitochondria, stimulate the creation of new ones, and provide the raw materials needed to keep them running at full capacity. Berries are among the most powerful foods for mitochondrial health. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries are packed with antioxidants called polyphenols and anthocyanins. These compounds fight oxidative stress, one of the biggest threats to mitochondrial function. When oxidative stress builds up, it damages cell membranes and slows down energy production. The antioxidants in berries neutralize these harmful molecules and help mitochondria work more efficiently. Studies have shown that people who eat berries regularly have better muscle performance, improved coordination, and faster recovery after physical exertion. The nutrients in berries also activate a process called mitochondrial biogenesis, the creation of new mitochondria within cells, which directly enhances energy capacity in the legs. The more mitochondria a muscle cell has, the longer it can sustain effort without fatigue. Green tea contains another mitochondrial supporting compound known as EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate. This natural molecule stimulates fat oxidation, which means the body uses stored fat as fuel instead of relying solely on glucose. This process not only helps maintain a healthy metabolism, but also improves mitochondrial function by giving them cleaner, more efficient energy to work with. Green tea's antioxidants also shield mitochondria from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. Drinking a cup or two daily helps refresh the body's energy systems and improves endurance in the lower limbs. It also enhances focus and circulation, both of which are essential for stable movement and coordination. Dark chocolate, especially varieties containing at least 70% cacao, provides another rich source of polyphenols that enhance mitochondrial performance. The flavonols in dark chocolate improve oxygen uptake, meaning the muscles receive more oxygen to fuel the mitochondria. With increased oxygen supply, mitochondria can generate ATP, the body's main energy currency, more efficiently. This process translates into greater leg stamina and strength, especially during walking or climbing stairs. In addition, the magnesium content in dark chocolate supports muscle relaxation and prevents cramps, ensuring that the legs stay flexible and responsive. Small portions of high-quality dark chocolate, when eaten daily, can improve not only energy but also blood flow to the muscles. Nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are valuable sources of nutrients that fuel and protect mitochondria. They contain CoQ10, a compound essential for the electron transport chain, the process through which mitochondria convert nutrients into energy. Without enough CoQ10, mitochondria slow down, resulting in fatigue and weakness. Nuts also contain magnesium, which supports the enzymes involved in ATP production, and healthy fats that stabilize cell membranes. The combination of CoQ10, vitamin E, and unsaturated fats makes nuts one of the best foods for maintaining mitochondrial integrity. Including a handful of mixed nuts each day not only strengthens the muscles of the legs, but also supports heart health and overall energy balance. Sweet potatoes are another excellent food for enhancing leg energy. They are rich in complex carbohydrates, which provide a slow, steady release of glucose, the preferred fuel for mitochondria. Unlike simple sugars, which cause spikes and crashes in energy, the carbohydrates in sweet potatoes ensure consistent energy for the muscles. They also provide potassium, an electrolyte that regulates muscle contractions and prevents fatigue. The vibrant orange color of sweet potatoes comes from beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that protects mitochondria from oxidative damage. Regular consumption of sweet potatoes helps sustain long-term endurance, allowing the legs to remain active and strong throughout the day. Another nutrient vital for mitochondrial function is alpha-lipoic acid, found in foods such as spinach, broccoli, and organ meats. This compound helps convert glucose into energy and regenerates other antioxidants like vitamin C and E. Alpha-lipoic acid is both water and fat soluble, allowing it to work in all parts of the cell, including the mitochondria. It improves insulin sensitivity, ensuring that glucose, the body's main fuel, can enter cells more efficiently. When mitochondria have access to a steady supply of glucose and oxygen, they can perform at their peak, generating the energy required for strong and active legs. Eggs also play an important role in supporting mitochondrial health. They contain choline, a nutrient that helps build cell membranes and assists in fat metabolism. Choline ensures that the mitochondria have the necessary structural support to function efficiently. Yolks provide essential B vitamins such as B2, B6, and B12, all of which are critical for energy metabolism. These vitamins help the mitochondria convert food into usable energy, and a deficiency in any of them can result in fatigue or muscle weakness. Eating eggs a few times a week can restore vitality in the legs by fueling the body's cellular energy systems. Olive oil, especially extra virgin, is another food that nurtures mitochondrial health. It's loaded with monounsaturated fats and polyphenols that reduce inflammation at the cellular level. Chronic inflammation damages mitochondria and reduces their ability to produce energy efficiently. The antioxidants in olive oil protect mitochondrial DNA from this damage and help the body create new, healthy mitochondria. When used regularly, olive oil also improves the flexibility of cell membranes, enhancing nutrient exchange and oxygen absorption within muscle cells. This contributes to more efficient energy use and less fatigue in the legs. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts support detoxification and help the mitochondria eliminate waste byproducts from metabolism. These vegetables contain sulforaphane, a compound that activates the body's natural antioxidant defenses and protects mitochondria from stress. They also provide vitamin K and folate, which support red blood cell production and oxygen delivery to muscles. Including these vegetables regularly in meals ensures that the legs receive a steady supply of nutrients needed for mitochondrial protection and regeneration. Quinoa and other whole grains also contribute to sustained leg energy by providing B vitamins, magnesium, and iron. These nutrients are essential for mitochondrial respiration and for carrying oxygen to muscle tissues. The complex carbohydrates in quinoa release energy slowly, preventing the midday fatigue that often comes from refined grains or sugars. Quinoa is also a complete protein, containing all the amino acids necessary for muscle repair and energy metabolism. Combining quinoa with vegetables or lean proteins creates a balanced meal that strengthens the legs from the cellular level up. Avocados serve as another mitochondrial ally. They are rich in healthy fats, potassium, and antioxidants like glutathione, which protects mitochondria from oxidative damage. The monounsaturated fats in avocados improve nutrient absorption and stabilize energy levels throughout the day. Their combination of vitamins B6, C, and E supports enzymatic reactions within mitochondria, enhancing their ability to produce energy efficiently. Eating avocados regularly provides both immediate and long-term benefits for leg strength and endurance. Hydration is another often overlooked factor in mitochondrial performance. Water is essential for every chemical reaction in the mitochondria. When the body is dehydrated, nutrient transport slows down and mitochondria cannot function properly. Electrolyte-rich drinks or foods such as coconut water, oranges, and spinach help maintain the right balance of fluids and minerals for optimal mitochondrial activity. Proper hydration ensures that the legs remain energized and that muscles recover quickly after physical activity. These mitochondrial supporting foods work best when combined, as each provides unique nutrients that complement the others. Berries supply antioxidants to protect the mitochondria. Green tea and dark chocolate enhance oxygen use. Nuts and olive oil provide healthy fats. Sweet potatoes offer steady fuel, and leafy greens detoxify and protect the system from oxidative stress. Together, they create a powerful nutritional foundation for renewed leg strength. When mitochondria are well nourished, they generate energy efficiently, allowing muscles to contract powerfully and recover quickly. The legs regain their endurance, coordination, and vitality, proving that restoring energy at the cellular level can transform how the entire body moves and feels.